YouTube! What's up, y'all, man? It's your boy Slim. I'm back. My phone's ringing. Niggas is calling me. Like, chill. I'm back. And we traveling, and I'm back. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Slim, and I'm back today. And today, man, I'm out here out of town right now. I'm about to go actually in this expo center right now. And I got a surprise for y'all today, though. If y'all like Fast and the Furious, like how I like the Fast and the Furious series, you know, with Tyrese, Paul Walker, you know, Vin Diesel, you know, that was like one of my favorite movies growing up, watching Fast and the Furious, and just, you know, fast cars, the women, and all the stuff that comes with it, though. So that brings us here today, though, man. My guy Djenvy, man, shout out to the Breakfast Club. He's actually putting together, he's having an event today in New Jersey. And I came out here, it's a car show. It's his first car show. And Harrisburg gotta show love. I gotta go show love, though. So I came out here, and I'm actually here to actually see this event, though. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see what's up. I already stepped in. I got the wristband. I had to come back and get my camera real quick, make sure everything was cool, though. Everything straight. We checked out. Now I'm about to give you a little full access of what Djenvy got going on. But before we even get into this vlog, cause it's not a reaction, not an interview, we doing a vlog today. I'm about to get my vlogs up. As you can see, we in Jersey, y'all. The cars is out. Y'all gonna see the cars, but they out. They're definitely out. But y'all like and subscribe to the channel, man. It's your boy Slim. I'm about to get up in here. It's hot. It's cold as fuck outside, though. But we about to go see some cars today. It's your boy Slim, man. Let's get it. We about to go up in here right now. Car show, Djenvy, Expo. I knew somebody gonna have an i8 in this joint. They might have the new Lamborghini truck up in this thing. We gonna see what they got, though. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Slim, man. I just got back in town from Newark, New Jersey, and I gotta say, man, I had fun out there, especially going to DJ Envy's first annual car show, y'all. I had a ball. I had a lot of fun. I got a chance to see some celebrities, some new cars, some celebrity pieces. Cardi B had her car there. Safari stepped out. Lil' Kim had her G-Wagon out there, though. So it was a lot of different things that was out there, and I had fun checking that out, though. But man, I hope y'all had fun watching this video as much as I did making this video. But if you haven't, subscribe and like to the channel, man. Please share this video, man. Anybody get a chance to check out the show, man, definitely want to watch this video though, because you get to see what happened when you wasn't there. So like and share this video, man, to all your friends. Support the movement, man. It's your boy Slim, bro. Like I said, I got a couple more interviews and a couple materials coming out in the next couple weeks. I got like 2 interviews lined up. I gotta take another trip soon again, and that's actually a surprise. I'll tell y'all a little bit later on though. And then I got more sneaker reviews too coming for the holiday season, because this holiday season, a lot of sneakers is coming out. A lot of sneakers is coming out. So I'm just getting ready for the holiday season. I might even take y'all shopping with me too for this Christmas. So in the meanwhile, y'all go like and subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all keep supporting, keep showing me love, leaving comments and leaving likes. It's your boy Slim, man. I'm signing out. I gotta pack up my stuff. I gotta unpack my stuff. I gotta get ready for work, y'all. It's your boy Slim checking out.